typing na lang typing. Dito ka. Marunong ka mag-speak. Okay. Ano ka? Bakit? Okay lang, okay lang. Makain ka doon. Hi everyone. X. Ay. Ayaw si pineapple. Ay, banana. Ay, mama. Uy, wag hard. Play. Ha? Okay. Laban tayo. Okay. Okay. Huwag ka malikot kasi nabitan yung carpet. Okay. Sino ka doon? Ako to, yung parang pineapple. Ako yung pineapple. Oh my God. I-bench kita. Wala na kita eh. Malikot. Ako matanggal. Awar ka pa lang ba? Okay, this is the real thing. Let's go. I'm gonna come. I'm gonna come. Oh. Dito ka. Galing ka na. Let's talk in English. Okay. I'm gonna tell you. I just for you. No. Okay. I have 3 times. I'm still in the lead. Okay. Yep, I'm ready. Here we go. Oh. I just said the shame out. You? Oh my God, you just drowned me. Oh, you fell. But I didn't. And to the point. Yeah, probably still. Oh, you have to shield. Let's kill him first. Oh my God. Okay, for the first. Oh, you both kill each other? Yes. How I still won, bro? I know. Oh, I can duplicate. Oh, I'm duplicate. You know where am I? Oh, I just fell. 1v1. 1v1, bro. Hey, bro. Oh my God, they just got killed. Oh no. It's like a boomerang. Ayan, okay. I still have no power up. Let me have this. Oh. I want to get it. Okay. Oh, I have extra boomerang now. Oh. I'm gonna kill this guy. Yeah, come on, kill him. Oh no. Yes, the shit. Oh, kill him. Come on. Oh man. Ow. Okay. Let's go. Jump. Oh. I duplicate again. So, why am I like this? Wait. What's wrong with me? Why I died? I think there's wrong with my controller. No, because mine is too slimy. Because I'm too slimy. Mine is too slimy. Oh no! I'm impossible to beat, you know? It's impossible to beat. Okay, this is a tidy one. Oh my God. I just laid you one time. Oh my God, you're just as one by one catching up. Let's go. Oh wait, I forgot where am I. Oh my God, that was so terrifying. Man. Ooh. Now you're in the so many boomerang. You're now in the lead. Yeah, just one lead. Let's go. Come here, big frog. Come here. I just laid you. Okay. Kill him. Okay. I'm the master. the king. I'm now the king. I'm now the king. I'm now the king.
Alright, okay, let's fight.
Oh my god! You just literally slayed me like a
And
pig.
so many
Like a
boomerangs.
potato. Just slayed me like a potato.
Oops.
You died? Come on, big boy.
I win.
Oh, you win.
I'm leading again for one. Okay, let's go.
Wait. Oh, I thought. Oh, sorry.
You explode yourself. What's wrong with you? Why did you do that?
I just go outside and I died.
Yeah, you did. Oh my gosh, it's trembling. We have an earthquake.
No, but not this much. You're still the king. I mean the queen. Yeah, so.
Never mind. Oops.
Oh, I almost. Oh my god, you have flaming in
Oh,
a
I
moto.
just got killed.
You almost won.
Okay, 3 more to go and I'm gonna win.
Oh my god.
Okay, where am I? Okay, boomerang on the go.
You're not going to boomerang me. Oh my god! I hate
Ah.
I hate to be a slave.
Oh,
Oh my god, you have two left.
yeah.
So let me go kill you.
Okay, boomerang.
I just slayed you before.
I just released my boomerang and I got
I just
killed.
And I just slayed you.
Okay, 2 more
Oh
to
my
go.
god, I have 3.
Okay, let's go, boomerang, go!
I'm gonna just throw it. Oh, prank.
Ah, I can't control my boomerangs.
Yeah, you need to do the triangle. Oh my god.
Okay, relax, keep calm.
Yes.
Oh, I just dropped.
Oh my god, I just won.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. I'm almost going to win.
I got so clumsy.
One slave. Come on, one
Ah.
slave. Oh!
I'm so clumsy.
Alam mo na. Dum. Oh my god. Wait, you? I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.